kwenzakalani nge-13
nge-30 kuzoba nematch e1 yamadoda ngicela ukuthi because mfowethu singabaholi and we know abantu base South Africa the reason why I'm skeptical about may it announcing ukuthi kuzobe kunematch somewhere it's because abantu bakithi they will get excited and then uyazi abantu bakithi ukuthi umhla ka-30 kade bawulinda as i-deadline ubayeke laba bawulinda as an event yokuganga thina yithi sathi umhla ka-30 ukhona so yithi ke sisho ukuthi ngomhla ka-30 amadoda sowabiza ndawonye somewhere.
That's right.
If ngomhla ka-30 thina singamadoda siqeda ukukhuluma noma siqeda ukwenza siyobe sikwenza ebese sibona ngathi uhulumeni akakwenzanga besimcele khona ukuthi sicela ukuthi ngomhla ka-30 bonke abantu bokufika behambe ukhumbula ukuthi thina sithe we were very respectful we said by the 30th of June kufanele bonke abantu bokuhamba bebe sebehambile. We were not saying they must live on their own. We were saying the government must make sure ukuthi by that time sebehambile ngoba ukube phela besifuna behambe trust me Skim. Trust me, my brother. It only takes one day. Abantu, the government must respect us. It can take us only 24 hours to flush out all the illegal immigrants in the country. But we gave it to the government. We said, here's the deadline, government. Please make sure that these people, by this time, by this date, are gone. From last year, December, 6 full months. And all those kids and all those illegal immigrants and illegal immigrants that are in a country and they have their kids eskoleni. Sathi kubona ingane efundayo ngeke kube ubudoda ukuthi uthi ngoba uthi akuhambe abazali bayo uthi abahambe beshiya ingane. Labo ke abanezingane ezifundayo we are going to in our press conference again on the 1st we are going to tell them ukuthi you have 6 months. Ingane yakhe yaqeda ngoNovember. As soon as iqeda thatha i-report, thatha izikhwama zakho uhambe. Because ngeke kwenza umqondo ukuthi uyindoda uthi ingane ayiyeke isikole. Ngeke kwenza umqondo uthi ulwela ikusasa leingane and then don't consider ingane yamakhelwane ezingane. We have to have ubuntu in all this. We are going to go to those schools and have a written notice that is saying this is your last year. Please don't renew your scholar for next year. So si clear ngalokho ke kodwa asifuni ukuthi abantu bakithi sibakhuphulisa amaphaphu kakhulu ngoba bazosuke benza izinto ezirong. Isinto esicela ukuthi nje abantu abazi ukuthi umhla ka-30 kwakuumnqamla juqu and umnqamla juqu ngomhla ka-30 sizolinda ke sibone ukuthi uhulumeni uhamba uphelaphi bese ukuthi thina ngomhla ka1 sizoba ne press conference la khona sizobe si-outline khona ukuthi uhulumeni ufikile umhla ka-30 thina sisola ukuthi u1 no2 no3 awenzekanga sicela usenze lo1 no2 no3 ngelanga lokuthi sicela usibize eParliament noma usibizele kumengameli sizokhuluma naye face to face simtshela ukuthi sikunikeza only 7 days to announce in the country ukuthi akwenze ku1 no2 no3 ebese usitshela ukuthi ubani o responsible for this and this and this and this. There's no waiting. There is no waiting anymore. So asifune izinto ezina 32 years ukuthi abasitshela ukuthi no kufanele kwenze ukuthi kwenze. We don't care about the officials, we don't care about the councillor, we don't care about the mayor, we don't care about the premier, we care about the action. So if the council is going to do the action, we want to see the council ukuthi i-council lenze action. Ufumezo kwenze action, nobody is going to go walk around here phakamisa amahlombe afuna ukusatshwa yithi afuna ukuhlonishwa yithi. Akho umuntu ozovulela isicapha la. Fanele kulungiswe manje before the end of 2026. The country must be back on its feet and the country must be stable. Umnotho wenzeke kahle. All these people that are employing illegal foreigners and hiding them and showing South Africans the middle finger. I'm so scared. I feel sorry for their businesses because we have power now. We can say some things and it can change the whole narrative. We can name a company name. In 30 seconds, that company will be down.